This program, GradeLedger.c, manages student grades records through a simple menu. It allows adding, listing, searching, and uploading records and displays class statistics. Data is saved in a plain text file with each student's ID, name, and grade. This line here defines the file name where records will be stored. And this is the maximum line length for reading the file, 100. This here is the function declarations for the operations. This function is to add a new record. These records search by ID, update grade, class statistics. And now this is our main menu. Here we're going to display the menu options, which has the add new records, list all records, search by ID, update grade, class statistics, and quit. This here will read the user's input. We are using a switch statement to execute corresponding function based on user input. And while to repeat the menu until user chooses to quit. This will open the file A to append mode. And this will exit if the file can't be opened. And here we are going to let the user prompt the ID, name, and grade. Here, this will inform user that the record has been saved. The same goes here. Here, this will read each line and check if the ID matches the search ID. Here, this will open the file in read mode, and this will exit if the file can't be opened. And this will open a temporary file for writing. And here, it will close the original file if temp can be opened. And here we are going to let the user prompt the ID for any updates. And this will read each line, check if the ID matches, and update the grade. This will close the original file and this closes the temporary file. This will replace the original file with the updated file, and this will display a message based on whether the update was successful. Here this will read each record and calculate statistics. And lastly, this will display the statistics. And here is the output.